Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the third grade concept of perimeter. This is standard 3.7b in the great state of Texas, and we're using item number 21 off the 2023 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have Vince, and he is building a fence around his rectangular garden. Perimeter of the fence is 26 feet. Okay, the length of the garden is 8 feet. What is the width? All right, so what do we know about perimeter? Let's look at that first. All right, so we don't have any type of conversion here or any type of formula. We have that could be useful. We do have some conversions for weight and mass, for time, volume, capacity. All right, so starting in fourth grade, you start getting those reference materials to be helpful for perimeter problems, but not so much here. So let's draw a rectangle. And this is what we know. Okay, so we know the length is 8 feet, right? We don't know how wide it is. That's what we're looking for. Okay, so let's just draw a series of rectangles. Okay, so what if I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? Okay, and then we're just gonna have to kind of guess. All right, so let's put our 8 right here. Let's see, what happens if, oh, kind of make it like this. All right, so let's say we make it like that. What would that end up being? Okay, so let's see, that's gonna be 8, right? This one right here, I'm not gonna draw it because I want to be able to extend it a little bit later. That right there would be 8. So far that's going to be 16, right? And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and then 4 there. So 4 and 4 make 8. All right, so if I add those two together, look what I've got. I am really, really close. I've got 24 feet, and I need to get up to 26. So I need it to be 2 feet longer. So what I could do is I can go back here, and I can finish out this. So what if I extended that out to there, and extended that out to there? You see how I added a foot to the top and a foot to the bottom? All right, so now let's use blue to show, right? This is still 8. Let's get my drawing on. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'm going to stick with that 5. Stick with that 5 up there. There's my rectangle. Let's add them. 8 and 5 and 8 and 5. Okay, so 5 and 5 make 10. 10 and 8 make 18. And then 18 and 8 make 26. Okay, so that's what I needed. So what is this formula that I was talking about? Well, what we're going to find is perimeter is when you double the length and you double the width. Okay, so what was my length? My length was 8. So my perimeter was 26, right? So 26 equals when I double my 8 plus double the width, and I didn't know what that was. So 26 needed to equal 16 plus something. Well, 26 is going to need to be 16 plus 10, right? 16 plus 10 makes 16 plus 10 is going to make that 26. And so double the width needed to be my 10. So what number could I double to make 10? That's where my 5 comes in. So that's another way to solve it. And that's algebraic thinking, is trying to find missing numbers by thinking what operations we can use. But either way, we are going to double the 5 to get to 10. That gets us our perimeter of 26. So my answer here is going to be A, 5.